So itong hawak natin ngayon is the Workhos DL02 at pag-uusapan natin kung bakit isa to sa mga most recommended diving flashlights ko. Tingnan muna natin yung specs. Magsimula tayo sa kanyang material, 6061 aluminum alloy. Tapos you have that smooth reflector with an SFT70 na LED. So you have this tint na 6000 to 6500 Kelvin. Boost constant current driver, copper plated na contacts. And then you have that double gasket. Tapos napaka-compact ng kanyang body and also the head. This includes the 21700 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. So sa box naman niya, ang inclusions nito, of course, meron kang user manual. You have this single bay charger na USB-C na rin. Tapos meron ka na ring lanyard. Then you have extra gasket just in case. Tapos meron ka na rin kasamang USB Type-C to Type-A cord. So yung nagustuhan ko talaga sa unit na to is yung kanyang size. It's very very compact tapos 5,000 mAh na siya. Thanks to its 21700 na format, hindi yung 26650 na mas mataba pa. Kasing laki ng capacity but very very compact. And what I like is the very ergonomic design ng kanyang tube. So pag ganito yung forma ng tube niya, kapag nahawakan niyo tong flashlight na to, it feels really planted to your palm or sa kamay niyo. Napakagandang hawakan. Kahit na smooth siya dito, kahit wala siyang textured na grips, it is very grippy thanks to this concave na shape. Tapos meron na siyang heatsink dito sa gilid. You have that 3000 lumens maximum output with the 2.5 hour runtime sa kanyang highest setting, and then you have that beam distance of almost half a kilometer. So medium would start at 1000 lumens, so it can stay 1.8 hours sa kanyang 1000 lumen mode. Then it could step down to 300 lumens, which can last 2.6 hours. Kapag nasa low ka lang naman, kaya siyang umabot ng 12 hours ng tuloy-tuloy. So ito yung ibang specs niya. Tapos yung isang nagustuhan ko dito at tsak na magugustuhan nyo rin is yung kanyang easy access at napakagandang i-operate na rotary magnetic switch. So you have that low, medium, and then off sa gitna. And then the highest setting can also be an instant turbo kasi nakaposition na siya dito. So one flick of a switch, you can access that highest setting. Tara, samahan nyo ako sa labas at subukan natin ang katangian ng liwanag nito. Let's go! So this is the lowest or the low mode. Ito yung medium. Tapos ito yung high. Napakaliwanag guys, tingnan nyo. Very good performance from its SFT70 na LED.